I opened my eyes and I was like, doctor, I can see. And he started laughing at me. Wow, I can't imagine within a day I can see. It was that way because my power was so high, I was not even able to see second corner of the room. Even though the image is bigger, whatsoever, it always used to be diminished, and then I had the clear view of that. I would recommend SG Hospital and the services for LASIK treatment 100 on 100%. I had glasses since I was a kid. I was in nursery. Since then I had glasses. My number, it started from minus 2.5. That point of time, parents were like, yeah, it will be fine. Glasses would go off. So they started giving me carrots. My mom, she asked me to walk on grass, on the dews, saying, following those myths and everything. My glasses used to be besides my pillow, and it was like, since my eyes are open, I have to put my glasses. And it used to look very bad on my face. I used to be, yeah, I'm not that ugly, but after wearing these glasses, yes, I feel like, yeah, I'm not that beautiful. Both of the things used to, hit together. I never had discomfort wearing my glasses. Even I love wearing glasses even now. It used to be just like I had to remove that dependency from my eyes, from my vision. Yeah, without glasses or without that, I cannot see. So that was the triggering point when I felt, okay, no, I have to get something done with my eyes. And then LASIK came into picture. I started researching on it. What is laser surgery? What is LASIK surgery? And what difference it is and all that stuff. And this is how my journey started. First thing was, I have to remove that dependency. Second thing was contact lenses. Entire wedding went into those contact lenses. Like, they were torturous for me. But one fine day when I just woke up and I was like, okay, I cannot tolerate this nonsense anymore. I have to wear good glasses. And then I checked, first thing I checked was my insurance. So fortunate enough, my corporate policy, it covered LASIK. But then if I have to plan for a LASIK, I have to go for a very good doctor in a hospital. So I just started searching. So I visited ASG. Everyone greeted like so damn good. I was so happy. I still remember his name, Mr. Bhavesh. I met him first. He made me sit. He explained me the entire procedure, how exactly LASIK treatment has been done and how you'll be treated, how operation will take place, what all things you have to take care of, how long it will take to get my vision back and all that stuff. And I was like literally very pretty comfortable with all that stuff. I dropped down next day in the morning. I was really overwhelmed by Dr. Bhupesh because the way he treated me, it was a different comfort zone. But then came a surprise in my entire story, and that was like Dr. Bhupesh said, your retina is quite poor, it's quite weak, it has few stretch marks, maybe kind of small holes to it. Then I met Dr. Costo. So Dr. Costo was like, okay, you have few stretch marks, there are few holes, and he explained me all those pictures and all, like how exactly it is, and post 3 weeks how exactly it's going to be. Entire thing went well. The same day, you won't believe me, when I visited on Saturday was the same day when I went ahead with my retina surgery as well. In morning at 11 or 12, I guess, 12, I met Dr. Bhupesh. Post that, immediately I met Dr. Kaustup, and in evening 5 o'clock, I had my retina surgery done. It was that comfort level what I got within just few hours in SG. After that, I was like, okay, I went to Dr. Bhupesh again and said, retina surgery is successful, now let's plan for a LASIK surgery. And he was like, madam, hold. We can't do it like this. We have to check your recovery, how exactly your recovery is going to be done, and then we can do it. So both of the doctors, they met and they said, okay, 3 weeks ka recovery time you have, and once your recovery is done, then we will plan with our LASIK surgery. 3 weeks were completed. And I again visited Dr. Bhupesh, and he was like, okay, your retina and everything seems to be like very fine, and we can definitely go ahead with the procedure. My surgery, LASIK surgery, it closed up within like 20 minutes, and 20 minutes was like cleaning and everything it took like 20 minutes and everything was done. Dr. Bhupesh, he was helping me out. He was telling me, okay, Now we are giving you anesthesia. Now we give you this. Then final touch, he was like, my job is done. Now you have to focus on that beam. Whenever you're discomfort, just tell me. I'll stop the machine then and there. And this is what happened. And I sat outside, and then I opened my eyes and I was like, doctor, I can see. And he started laughing at me. But I was happy because there was something written over there, and I was able to watch that few letters or maybe sort of that, and I was happy. And next day, I just woke up and I was searching for my glasses, and I was so happy. Wow, I don't need to wear those glasses. And literally I wore those glasses because I had those fiber wala glass, and I removed those. Or raat mein, in the night, what happened was my hair, it came on my eyes, so I just removed this way. And then my partner, he just woke up and he made me wear those glasses. Don't touch your eyes by any means. Next morning I woke up and I was like, wow, I can see everything. Wow, I can't imagine within a day I can see. It was that way because my power was so high, I was not even able to see second corner of the room. Even though the image is bigger or whatsoever, it always used to be diminished, and then I had the clear view of that. So this was my overall journey with ASG. After my surgery, my mom, my dad, my spouse, we all took eye treatments from here. I'm literally happy taking services from ASG because ambience is so good. The way they've built up their premises it's filled up with so damn positive energy. It really feels good. It doesn't feel like I'm visiting a hospital. With that, such good doctors and their humble speech and everything, it makes feel good. I would recommend ASG Hospital and the services for LASIK treatment 100%. Without any second thought, just drop down to ASG and get your LASIK done.